Gold against US dollar. This week I started the week with this bullish candle, reaching higher price levels. We can see that here, very close to 3716.14. Here the price on the third day formed a bearish engulfing candle. This bearish engulfing candle has been shared also on the daily analysis with the traders, and also the next target was here at the support level 3631.09. The price has reached this area of support, and from here on a Friday the price is bouncing back up. The weekly time frame shows me that we have a bullish candle very close to this area of resistance 3716.14, and we can see the monthly time frame is still bullish oriented. So what we can expect in the next week? Well, for now, as it looks, everything looks bullish, at least what I can see on the smaller scale, where the price will try to reach this area of resistance. On the daily time frame is also the price is targeting this area of resistance. So will the price manage to reach that? Probably, but after that we'll see what happens. What are the next targets? We can see that above that we need to put some more lines to see what is the next resistance. But what I can see on the daily time frame, the price has retraced strongly from this area of support on a Friday, which is indicating strong bullish momentum has entered the market again. And we can see the price is currently forming a bullish breakout, a small one above this area of resistance on the 4-hour time frame, indicating potential move to the higher price levels. We can see the price needs to form, first of all, a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which is 3700 as a round number, and then after that the next target will be 3716.14. Let's see how the Monday will open. Will there be a gap or without the gap, and then we'll be much more closer to the idea of the price reaching this area of resistance, or will the price make a bearish breakout going further down. But for now I'm inclined to see gold on the higher price levels next week, where we have the price and also a bullish momentum have entered from here and pushing the price to the higher price levels. If you would like to receive the updates, which means the bullish and bearish breakouts during the week, feel free to check the link below in the description. It is a premium analysis where I share the details with the traders on the 1-hour time frame when there is bullish or bearish breakouts, when there is on the 4-hour time frame, and also the daily time frame bullish and bearish breakouts. You receive the updates when that happens with the target where the price could go, and then wait for the target to be reached. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.